Hello everyone, here are some great courses and resources to keep you busy for the next 2 months. This was how I wanted to start this year's talk. These are the KNIME community groups around the world, and these are my educator colleagues who help me spread the KNIME knowledge all over the world. But since we all know how things turned out this year, we decided to move all our education effort online, and we got prepared for that. So this is how you are going to see us in the next future. But the effort did pay off because we got some wonderful online courses for you in the next months. This is the schedule for the online courses for April after this KNIME Virtual Summit. As you see, there is a lot of new interesting stuff, and most of all, I would like to interest you in these 3 courses: time series analysis, text processing, and machine learning. They have been developed in collaboration with university professors. And this is the schedule for the online courses that we offer in May. Now, if you have paid close attention to the previous slide, you have noticed that we offer in May exactly the same courses as in April. So if you cannot participate, or if you want to take a second or a third course, don't worry, you can always take the one in May. Notice now the little code before each course title, right? And notice the L in the code. Yes, this defines the level of the course. We have structured all our courses in levels. L1 is the level 1 and contains the courses with the basic features of KNIME Analytics platform. L2 is level 2 and contains the courses with the advanced features. And L3 covers the KNIME features for production and deployment. L4 contains more domain-specific courses. The good thing of taking a course in L1, L2, and L3 levels is that you can get certified. We have a certification program testing the knowledge for these 3 levels, and the next dates for certification exams are April 30th and May 21st. However, if you don't want to have a teacher constantly checking on you and your progress and your exercise, you can also take one of our e-learning courses and then you move at your own pace. The first e-learning course is an introduction to data science with KNIME and covers the content for levels L1 and L2. The other e-learning course is about production and deployment and covers the content for level L3. You can find this e-learning course under the learning web page on the KNIME website. However, e-learning courses about KNIME Analytics platform are not only available on the KNIME website, but they are also available on Udemy, like the courses organized by Barbora Stetinova, on lynda.com, like the course organized by Keith McCormick, and on Coursera, where the most popular course has been organized by Natasha Balak. If you are planning to record an e-learning course on any platform, we can help you with slides, videos, images, guest lectures, and other material that we might have. We have also organized a few webinars for April and May. Here there are 2 webinars on text mining. Then we have a webinar about using RDKit in KNIME Analytics platform. Here you can learn all there is to know about sharing and deploying with KNIME Server. And then there are some pills of wisdom about active learning and time series analysis. And then, of course, we couldn't miss a full webinar about the visualization of COVID-19 data. In May, we will have a few more webinar options. If you want to learn more about machine learning, drug discovery, how to use deep learning for image analysis, how to use big data from KNIME, some anonymization techniques for GDPR compliance. And then we have also 3 webinars about the advantages of KNIME software for the data science team, how to get inspired from other application fields with a review of case studies, and then finally how to boost Excel with KNIME. Sign the date of the webinar that interests you and keep an eye on the KNIME website. And now let's talk about the main tool to share experience, notes, and knowledge, the KNIME Hub. The KNIME Hub is the community place for data science knowledge exchange. Here you find notes extensions, components, workflows, and lots of documentation made available by the KNIME community. In particular, you can find workflows for examples, best practices, and blueprints, and you can find components. The components are kind of prepackaged data science expertise made available by other KNIME users. To find material, type the search term in the search box, like here. And then in the next page, you will have the results of your search. Click on the result that you want to open, for example, this workflow here. Then the page for the workflow opens, and then on the right, you can see the buttons Open Workflow and Download Workflow that allow you to import or just download the workflow from this page. Now, you can also run the same search from within KNIME Analytics platform. Here on the right, there is the search box that takes you to the results of the search on the KNIME Hub site, right? And here on the left, you have a link to your section of the KNIME Hub. Indeed, when you sign up to the KNIME Forum, you get some space on the KNIME Hub repository. You get, in particular, a private space, which is only visible to you, where you can upload material to reuse later, for example, from another machine. And you get a public space that you can use to share your work and expertise with the rest of the community on the KNIME Hub. A big part of the public material on the KNIME Hub is made by new full extensions. We would like to thank the people and companies who posted their great new extensions on the KNIME Hub. So let's start with Redfield and their anonymization node set. Then Kefan Ding from RWTH Aachen with the process mining extension. Then Samuel Thiriot from REST-EAR for geolocation and spatial processing nodes. And then Analytic.us for the click integration. And then Pharmacelera for their virtual screening nodes. And of course, you could also have your extension here. If you don't know how to put together an extension for KNIME Analytics platform, here is a blog post that explains how to do this in just five steps. And finally, let's thank the social KNIMers. The social KNIMers are the ones who talk about KNIME and help us spread the news and the knowledge around. Let's start with the blog authors. We at KNIME have a great blog. It's highly technical. It's always rich of great information, tips, and tricks. While we ourselves write some of the blog posts, the high quality and the reputation of the KNIME blog could not be possible without external technical contributions. So let's thank the external contributors for the year 2019. Here they are. Thank you. KNIME Analytics platform is open source and support relies heavily on the KNIME community. Let's see who are the most active contributors of the KNIME forum. Those are the ones dispensing help and experience to other newer KNIMers. This is the word cloud with all names of users active on the KNIME forum. The bigger the name, the more active the user. Orange names are KNIME employees, which we will ignore. So our biggest thanks go to Ipazin, Armin Groot, M. Lauber71, Isaichik63. Thank you. And now for the KNIME Hub, there are also tons of contributors. Thanks especially to LCS, who has been the biggest contributor of material for the KNIME Hub in 2019. And now for the social media. You know, those people who are constantly fiddling with the cellular phone and we really don't know what they are doing. Right, those, they get a mention as well. KNIME has a number of official accounts, but we will concentrate on the accounts with the hashtag KNIME, so mainly Twitter and LinkedIn. On Twitter, for the year 2019 and the beginning of this 2020, this is the core diagram of all users tweeting and retweeting around hashtag KNIME. So let's see who the most active users have been. Let's ignore the KNIME employees again, and here they are. The first two are a conference organizer and a journal. And then we have the top 4 tweeters, Kirkborn, ADW, Serge Blanc, and Tyler Garrett. Thank you. And last, let's check the post around the hashtag KNIME on LinkedIn. Many posts, as you can see here, and those are just some of the most popular ones. We would like to know who has posted the most and which post has gotten the highest number of likes. So who has posted the most? Thank you, Sachib Ali. And which post has got the highest number of likes? It was this post by Kate Strachny when she tried out KNIME for the first time. Thank you, Kate, as well. And with that, I finished my tour around the wonderful KNIME community. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, I'm Paul Treichler, Head of Partnerships at KNIME. Today I'm going to be talking a bit about what's going on in the partner ecosystem. So first, by the numbers, we are lucky enough in KNIME ecosystem to have a very vibrant global community of partners that we work with. Active partners top 200, and 118 of those have actually joined in the last year. These partners come from a very broad variety of backgrounds and countries, different areas of expertise, including about 54 countries with a handful of new ones this year. We also had about 30 partners that were contributing to the KNIME community through events and open source development and contribution. So partners are a really vibrant part of our ecosystem as well. And also we had a couple of partners that were referred to us by customers this year who are ramping up their capability in KNIME. And really that's something that we have a call to action for our customers here that are working with partners. If you're looking for those partners to up-level their skills, work more closely with KNIME, we're very happy to invest time and energy in those partners. We'd love to know who you like working with. KNIME partners can help in a number of different ways, both your business and also more broadly in the community. This includes things like outsourced analytics, where partners are actually doing the work to help you scale and solve more problems more quickly. Some of the skills that come with that are things like being able to know the latest data science applications and approaches, having particular area of expertise or a use case that they know really well that they can help you out with, helping you with deployment, and also helping with governance, as well as many more. Partners can also help with supporting your team to up-level their capability and extend beyond what that core team that you might have in-house can do. And these are in areas such as training, project acceleration, capacity, local capability, including local language, extended support, or cleared or certified resources if you happen to work in an area such as government. More broadly than just your business, partners also support in the extension of capability within the KNIME community, connecting KNIME to other technologies out there. And that's really the open source ecosystem working in the way that it's supposed to. In addition to those community contributions, partners also support in the area of running community events and local events and engagements. And that allows our very broad global KNIME ecosystem to grow and to learn within that local group. And we encourage you to meet the partners that are in your local market because they certainly are great ambassadors for KNIME. There are many use cases that are supported by partners. So I mentioned there's a very broad diversity among our partners and the knowledge that they have. These are just a small subsegment of the use cases that partners can help you out with. And this covers all of the use cases that we see our customers delivering as well. So if you're looking for a partner with a particular capability, please do come to us and we'll help to match you with a partner that may be able to provide some expertise that you may not have in-house. And those partners are all over the place. I mentioned there are 54 countries that partners are working in, and these are partners of different sizes and shapes, very large consultancies down to extremely specialized boutique organizations as well. So please do reach out if there's a need that you have. So how do you find these partners? How do you find a partner that's actually going to help you with your business? Really a couple ways to do this. The first one is the KNIME Partner Finder. Today and up until this point, we've had a listing of our partners on our site. In this next quarter, you'll see that replaced by an actual filtered list where you can search by region, industry, and company size. And that will make it a lot easier to find your own match. You can also find some of these partners highlighted in the innovation notes and case studies that exist on our site. So I certainly encourage you to check those out and find the partners attached to those innovation notes and case studies. And then lastly, you can always just email us. We'd be happy to match you with the right partner depending on your needs. And the last piece of the partners segment for today, we'll talk a little bit about the partner awards that we are going to be offering for the first time here at the summit. There are two great awards that are provided to partners for their work in 2019. The first award is the Innovation Partner of the Year, and this is on the basis of the work partners have done to show a particular technique or approach through innovation notes, which you can find on our site, or case studies, which describe the work that they've done for a particular customer and use case, and also their broader community contribution. And the second award that we have is the Partner of the Year Award, which looks at all of those things that the Innovation Partner of the Year Award looks at, but also looks at KNIME capability, customer success, and happiness, that they're delivering great projects for their customers, and they have happy customers using KNIME for all sorts of different interesting use cases, that they're actually growing their business and have a healthy business around KNIME, as well as the community contribution. If you're interested in applying for these awards and you are a partner, we certainly encourage you to submit your innovation notes and case studies at this URL, or of course you can always email partners@knime.com. And without further ado, the partner award winners for the Innovation Partner of the Year 2020, we have Soluzioni Informatiche, and then for the Partner of the Year award, Forest Grove. So congratulations to these two amazing partners, and now you'll hear a bit in their own words about the sort of work they're doing with KNIME. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, I'm Alice Milani of SIN Soluzioni Informatiche, and I'm in charge of the marketing. We deal with data science applied to a wide range of analysis, interpretation, data management in life science, chemical and food sectors. Furthermore, we are also system integrator of different solutions. We are reseller of KNIME since its origin, and we were hand in hand with them during its continuous evolution path. Our customers appreciate that KNIME automates workflows, speeding up and streamlining processes, including routine. Some significant stories have been published on the KNIME website as innovation notes. For example, a customer on the chemical field has been able to extract useful data from a large amount of safety data sheets, which are documentation on the chemical risk, and it was able to reduce time and the human error. A second case is in the pharma sector. Through an integration between KNIME and the existing solutions, the customer managed to automate the molecular properties calculation without human intervention. It was useful to speed up the candidate drug selection, molecular properties calculation without human intervention. As innovative partner, we are exploring other markets, other sectors related to our historical ones as pharma and chemical. And a new market could be the food one, where the R&D is strongly improving their techniques. So thank you, KNIME, thanks to everybody for the attention. Goodbye and stay safe.
Hello, my name is Murray Westfall and I'm Managing Director at Forest Grove. We're a specialist provider of planning, reporting and decision support solutions servicing the Australian-New Zealand marketplace. We've been in business for 16 years and today have a staff of 20 and around 100 customers across a wide variety of industries. We're absolutely delighted that we've been selected as KNIME's Partner of the Year. It's a great honour. On behalf of our team at Forest Grove, we thank Michael, Killian and the rest of the KNIME team for your great support. When we selected KNIME in 2017, we really liked the functionality to resolve data consolidation challenges. And we also liked the additional value we could provide through the advanced analytical functionality. We also like the company, a young company with great passion and a clear leader in the space. We saw that we could use the same techniques with KNIME as we'd learned over many years of distributing and supporting other technology solutions in our region. Today we have a healthy KNIME business with customers throughout Australia. We've been able to excite our existing customers with the power and flexibility of KNIME, and we've also been able to gain many new larger customers helped by the growth in data science teams. Our initial focus has been to use KNIME as an ETL solution, helping customers consolidate data from a variety of data sources. Well, from this initial start with KNIME, we're now winning new business, taking more advantage of the computational power of KNIME. Moving forward, we see opportunities clearly with data science teams and with the continuance of the opportunities for data consolidation. Interestingly, we also see great potential in the growth in helping companies in their digital transformation. Open source and low cost of entry is really a great advantage of KNIME in these circumstances. Fundamental to our success is the passion and hard work we get from our team at Forest Grove, and of course the support we get from KNIME. Thank you again for this opportunity. Thank you again for this wonderful recognition of our partnership success, and we look forward to building on that success for many years to come.